Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix custodial wallet concerns with Coinbase, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Coinbase account. Navigate to the wallet section to locate your custodial wallet. Identify any concerns you have regarding your custodial wallet. If you notice discrepancies or issues, take note of specific transactions involved. Visit the Coinbase Help Center for guidance on custodial wallet features. Use the search bar to find articles related to your specific concern. If needed, access the FAQs for troubleshooting tips. For unresolved issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support directly. Locate the contact option in the help section. Choose between live chat, email, or phone support as per your preference. Provide relevant details about your issue to the support representative. They may ask questions to verify your identity. Be prepared to share transaction IDs or screenshots for clarity. Follow any instructions given by the support team carefully. Once your issue is addressed, review your wallet to ensure everything is correct. If you still have concerns, consider discussing them in the Coinbase community forums. Stay informed about any updates or changes to your wallet features. Regularly monitor your custodial wallet for any unusual activities. Keep the app updated to ensure you have the latest security features in place. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Educate yourself on custodial wallets and best practices for safer management. This systematic approach will help you effectively address custodial wallet concerns with Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.